Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. Here on the larger time frame for SUI, we are still dealing with a potential upside breakout above the green line that might be in the works. We're obviously not out of the woods yet. The price is holding support for now, which is defined between 199 and 335. So there's absolutely no evidence, I should say, that the fifth wave to the upside has started. But there are some early indications. So early confirmation is always good, but true confirmation comes with a breakout. In this case, for me, the 430 level is very important. There are earlier confirmation levels on the smaller time frame, but ultimately, I am still watching for one more high in this fifth wave to the upside as per the yellow scenario. One more high could be enough to fulfill the requirements for the larger cycle, and that would just mean that we form here an A, B, C structure, and we're now in the C wave to the upside, and the C wave would be a 5-wave move, and that fifth wave is still pending, okay? So that's what I'm tracking. As long as we're holding above the critical level, $1.99, I am overall watching for higher prices, and the next leg up could take us to $6.90, and maybe even $8.50 if things go well. We'll see. It can obviously go higher, further extensions possible. For now, I'm watching for higher into the direction of, let's say, 690 plus, as long as the $1.99 level is holding. That one more high, yeah, might have started. That one more rally, let's say. And on the smaller time frame, we get some additional clarity. Here, you can see that there are two support levels I'm tracking, or two support areas. They have so far been holding, especially here the lower support between 266 and 289 did hold, okay? Very, very important for a wave 2, because it could be that after the price bottomed on the 3rd of February, indeed this wave 4 indeed completed, exactly where I pointed out here on the daily chart, ideally holds here. And the rally afterwards is a potential 5-wave move. The pullback is a potential 3-wave move, form a higher low. And then this could be another 1-2 setup here. And the third of a third wave could now be unfolding. But we don't have enough evidence here. All I can say is we have a rally in potentially 5 waves. Now that's a questionable 5-wave structure. It might very well be that we're dealing here with a 3-wave move like on many other altcoin charts. But I've labeled this as 5 waves up, which is more bullish and more clearly bullish, because it is one of the few charts where I can actually recognize a 5-wave structure. So we'll see. It might just morph into a diagonal. If this was a wave 1 and this pullback is a wave 2, or was a wave 2, then this next rally might have been the next lower degree wave 1, and the pullback is again a wave 2 within the larger third wave. So that means for this wave 2, we wanted to form a higher low. So that's essentially what it is in an impulse. A rally and a higher low. Another rally within wave 3 and a higher low. If you're interested to learn more about how impulses work, why they are so important, I'll link for you here the video for a tutorial about Elliott wave impulses. You can check it out. It might provide some clarity if you're still new to the concept and how an impulse works, so it helps you understand the analysis better. Essentially, it just means that the wave 1 indicates the trend has started. The wave 2 is a higher low. And we're looking for a 5-wave move up. So that means the third wave is next. The third wave is typically the most aggressive one, and especially the third wave of the third wave. So we'll see if that happens. But if this interpretation is correct, and it's not high confidence, but then the next rally should be quite aggressive in a third wave of a third wave. And we should see a break above the dotted line next at 390. Above 390, that critical $4.30 level comes into play as resistance and breakout confirmation level, which is the level I mentioned just on the daily time frame, right? And overall, this larger third wave, which is linked to the initial 1-2 setup here, this third wave should take us at least to 560. And then there could be another wave 4, which I haven't labeled here, and a wave 5, but ultimately it would be like that. So wave 4, and then there should be the wave 5, which can take us to those FIB levels I mentioned on the larger time frame, right? Yeah. And then we'll get to that kind of here 690 level, for example. That's how it could work. That's how it could work. That's what we're tracking at the moment on this chart. So what does it mean? At the moment, in the very short term, it would be important to stay above $3.01. The 78.6 retracement of the rally that happened after the 10th of February. Okay, any break below it would mean that maybe the larger degree wave 2 is still unfolding. Wouldn't be great, but still a possible 1-2 setup, but would indicate short-term weakness. In that case, then 266 will be relevant support. Yeah, that's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested, check out our main channel, MCO Global, for a lot of additional content, deeper insights, longer analysis, geopolitical content, things like that. Check it out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.